everyone, and welcome to or welcome back to Hello Hi for another great recipe. Now, you guys have been inboxing me, sending me DMs, and emailing me saying you want a vegan recipe. So, today I'm going to show you how to make vegan peach cobbler cupcakes using vegan infused butter and canna oil. So, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 to 2 cans of peaches, 1 box of yellow cake mix, vegan brown sugar, vegan cane sugar, vegan butter, an egg substitute, cornstarch, vegan powdered sugar, vanilla extract, cinnamon, coconut or almond milk, cannabutter, and canna oil. And you know I made the oil with the Ultra Infuser. Start by making the filling first to give it time to cool while the cupcakes are in the oven. So preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted vegan butter and 1 tablespoon of vegan cannabutter to a large saucepan on low heat. After the butter is melted, add your canned peaches and give it a slight stir. Then add 3 tablespoons of vegan brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and a half a teaspoon of vanilla. Turn the heat up to a medium-low and stir until combined. Now this is where you want to taste the filling to make sure it's sweet enough, and if not, just adjust it to your liking.